Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use ScreenPal for free. Whether you're creating tutorials, recording presentations, making YouTube videos, capturing gameplay, or producing educational content, ScreenPal offers several useful features that you can use without paying for a subscription. So let's get started. First, create a free ScreenPal account and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll gain access to the ScreenPal dashboard where you can manage recordings, videos, and account settings. Next, familiarize yourself with the main tools available in the free version. ScreenPal typically allows you to record your screen, capture webcam footage, record audio, and perform basic video editing. To create your first recording, click the Record button. You'll be able to choose whether you want to record your screen, webcam, or both at the same time. And that's how to use ScreenPal for free. By taking advantage of the free recording, editing, and sharing features, you can create professional-looking videos without spending any money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.